On a trip to the beach, Anne traveled 50 miles on the highway and 10 miles on a coastal access road. He drove 3 times as fast on the highway as on the coastal road. If Anne spent 30 minutes driving on the coastal road, how many minutes did his entire trip take? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Start with the coastal road. Anne drove 10 miles in 30 minutes. 30 minutes is 1/2 of an hour. So his coastal speed is 10 miles divided by 1/2 hour, which is 20 miles per hour. On the highway he drove 3 times as fast. 3 times 20 miles per hour is 60 miles per hour. Now find the highway time. The highway leg is 50 miles at 60 miles per hour. 50 divided by 60 is 5/6 of an hour. 5/6 of an hour is 50 minutes. Add the two parts together. The coastal road took 30 minutes and the highway took 50 minutes. So the entire trip took 80 minutes. The answer is 80 minutes.